Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to help you on how to cancel Instagram story uploading process before it gets online, before it gets uploaded. Now, these tips can help you if you follow through all of the steps, so make sure to watch until the end so you won't miss anything. First of all, you want to make sure that your internet is turned off like that. You see, my internet is off, and for better effects, you may just turn on airplane mode. Now you see this. After it gets offline, you will see couldn't upload, try again. And now you click the three dots in the bottom right corner. And then you will see delete, click delete, and then click delete again, and that's it. Your story is not uploaded and it's not going online. I hope this helped you to cancel the uploading process for whatever reason. That's it from me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.